everybody, I'm going to do another chainsaw video here. This one here is probably about a mid-2000s Stihl 029 Super that I picked up about a month and a half ago. And it was in really bad shape. It was badly damaged. It was probably run over by a truck. Anyway, all the covers and the handles were all busted up on it. The bar was bent, and so it needed a bunch of repairs, so that's why I bought it. Anyway, I found this chainsaw salvage company or parts company up in northern Minnesota near Hackensack or Bacchus called Sawagain, and he's been very helpful, helped me get these last few projects put back together. Anyway, I've got a 3/8 pitch 20-inch Forester bar and chain on here, and it's running a full chisel chain. Anyway, we'll give you a little demonstration on this one. So anyway, there's that one. Thank you for watching. Bye.